Minnie Mouse do?
Yeah. Bye.
She spilled your plate?
Yeah.
Yeah? Did she make a big mess? Yeah? What did she do? Did she push it? Or did she kick it? She kicked it? What did she use? Her feet? Minnie Mouse being bad? Should mommy spank her bum? Yeah? You're gonna spank her bum? You spank her bum. Tell her no make a mess. You're crazy. Did you make that mess? Minnie Mouse did? Who's gonna clean it up?
Me.
You? Okay.